Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, a few hours ago, OpenAI just announced their latest model, O1. My thought about is that actually this is supposed to be GPT-5, but maybe to avoid backslash, maybe based on model performance, they prefer to name it O1, so that if it is not that good, it's okay, it's not GPT-5, and people will not be disappointed by the latest model of OpenAI. So the announcement just came out of nowhere, and yeah, today we'll just review it and see what it can do. I prepared a couple of questions and a couple of exercises ranging from writing content, because AI actually suck at writing content. Some mathematical problems, coding problems, design and visual problems, and just common life problems, right? Like thought problems. And we'll test the model with each of these problems. But let's first just discover what the model is supposed to do. So based on OpenAI words, this model is actually extremely good at reasoning, which means there's a thought process before the model releases a response. That's actually not quite new. We have different methods of doing that, either kind of an agentic model, or we just use chain of thought or something like that. So I suppose this is one of the things that you're using in the background. But yeah, based on their benchmark, this model can code a complete problem or can solve a complete coding problem with one prompt. So no back and forth with the model. It can code a complete game, fully functional, in one prompt. And it can do way more. So let's find out. Here we actually have two models. We have the preview model, which is actually the most advanced OpenAI model, and we have the Omni model. The Omni model just being the latest model that is faster than the preview model, right? And they are actually not releasing the latest one, which is the O1. And this O1 is actually supposed to be far more intelligent than GPT-4 or so. Yeah, we'll see that later. So this first model I tried with a couple of prompts, actually pretty slow, you will see it. And this one is fast, but not that intelligent. So let's try it out. Let's just see how it can perform. Okay, first thing first, let's suppose we are a marketing team and we just want to write a blog post. So I have this prompt here. We'll ask both models, we'll see the time, and we'll also see the output. Okay, first ethical problems. So let's see. I think this one will be the same thing. Surely we have a lot of barriers between our model and what we can do. So if we can just write a simple blog post, why do we have these models? Why? Okay, so let's say we have a lot of blockers. For example, the model is saying that it cannot write a blog post. Okay, so maybe because I said written by OpenAI. So I'll change what I'm asking for. So let's start over again and just say write a blog post. That is professional and made for an important B2B company. The post is about how to integrate LLM into your company. Okay, copy the same. Took a couple of minutes. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, this is just AI generated text. You can see it just by reading it. Even the format, I know this is really AI generated. You can see it. Yeah, maybe we still need to iterate over the prompt to have something good. Okay, we have this. Okay, it cannot do that. I think this model is actually faster. The thought process here is 5 seconds, but here Do you see? There's a place called complying with policies. It's actually the same, but I'm reading through OpenAI policy on detection and understanding of important of not aiding of fraud, spam, and public opinion manipulation. I mean, a request to generate deceptive information as ethical issue, aligning them with OpenAI guidelines. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah. So that's the first test. I don't know how we got this model to generate it and this not to. Yeah. Anyway, second problem. This is kind of a simple mathematical problem. We'll see how well this model perform on this task. So let's give it to this one first, and to this one as well. Oh, nice. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Curve. Start on. Okay. Rectangular representation. Yes. Exactly this rectangle. This area. Okay. That's right. Adjust this. Subtract the area of a simple rectangle. And height is adjust this area. Okay. Right. Wow. This seems more elaborated. To find an antiderivative using geometry and interpret it as an area under, of course, makes sense. Yes. No, we don't want to compute it explicitly. No. So I think the geometry part here, the faster model is actually better at solving this problem compared to this model. Yeah. By interpretation, by the area and calculating area under, we find that the derivation is this. Okay, so show the area under this, from this to this. Okay, is this okay? Limit from 1 to x, since x is expression. Yeah, but no, that's not the. Anyway, yeah, the faster model beat the more intelligent model here. Next thing, let's do this complex Python problem. And I feel like this model will become quite useless with these blockers in front if we cannot use it for productivity purposes. So maybe if I cannot help, if the model cannot help me write a blog post, knowing that the best ability of this model is write text, it's kind of weird. Anyway, this is quite okay. I think we need a more complex problem. Yeah, but I think this problem are actually documented online, so it may make sense that they are good at it, knowing that they actually kind of come up with the same solution. So yeah, we'll say they are good at simple problems. So let's give them a more sophisticated coding problem with more ambiguity. So they will create a company landing page. I'm not quite sure this model have access to the internet. I will test it as well. So here, so let's copy this, give this to the fast model as well. So we'll actually use CodePen to test the visual output of these models. So yeah, taking time. Okay, crafting the landing page. Okay. Oh, this one's done. I like this one, but I'm not quite sure I would like the output as well. So let's go to CodePen, paste it here, and wait for the output. Oh, to be honest, this is quite good compared to what we usually see AI generated. This is a really good landing page, to be honest. Great. Yeah, but the placeholder images, I think he didn't quite understood that it was supposed to use like online placeholder images. It's okay. Wow, great. It's okay. I think you can use it as landing page, right? Because if you watch my latest video, the landing page generated by the AI wasn't that good. It was okay. Yeah, so this seems okay. But I just saw that this model do not have access to internet. So let's see what the most capable model can do. The result of our... Okay. Kind of the same thing. I cannot tell the difference. Same, he didn't want to show that placeholder image or maybe online placeholder image, but it's fine. Maybe, yeah. Anyway, okay. But I feel like the faster model generated a better code. So okay, let's just ask something a bit more complex, like add tag and light mode to the code. Yes, ask to both. Okay, so what do you say? Nice. Complete updated code. And you? Still thinking. I've updated the code to include both tag and light modes implementation at toggle switch. Great, hopefully it works. And you done? No. Okay, explaining. I just want the code. Okay, let's paste it here and see the difference. Great. So what if I click here? Perfect. It did it. Wow. To be honest, that's quite impressive. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure GPT-4 would have failed here. And yeah, in the meantime, maybe in the next week or in the upcoming days, actually, I'll post a video actually clashing this model and Claude 3, because actually Claude 3.5 Sonnet is the best coding model, and we'll see which one is better. So okay, I feel like this model will actually do the same and it will work. It's like, okay, few line of code, but the icon is quite weird. Anyway, but now it understood, because it added like a placeholder image here, but not everywhere. Anyway, yeah, test passed. Okay, test passed. So now some logical problems. Let's be quick here, because we don't want to waste a lot of time. Just testing this. Oh, no. You are the manager of a retail store, and a sudden supply chain disrupt has caused a shortage in the best-selling product. This tribe plan to handle customer demand, including communication strategy, inventory management, and alternative solution to maintain customer satisfaction. Okay, it acts the same here. We'll need like some thinking to evaluate the response. Okay. Assess the situation. Of course, communicate strategy, internal communication, staff briefing, training session. Available alternatives so they can confidently recommend them to customers. Okay. External communication, in-store signage, digital channel, website update, social media announcement, email notification. That's a lot. To be honest, that's like a panic solution. Customer service lines, ensure representatives are fully informed and prepared to answer questions. Okay, yeah, this makes sense. Send out email, send out what? It's just like giving a banner to say all our best-selling product is out of stock. I feel like this is not the right solution. Inventory management, limit purchase, stock redistribution, monitor sales data, back order system, set up back order system to reserve product when it become available. Okay, this is a good idea as well. Alternative solution, recommend substitutes. Yeah, this seems good as well. Bundle offers, incentive patience, offer discount or loyalty point to customer who choose to wait for the product. Yeah, that's good as well. Personalized services. Maintain customer satisfaction. Feedback mechanism. That's too much. I mean, it's good, but for this kind of problem, the solutions are either okay or too much. Okay, let's see what you have to give. Assess the situation, of course, communication strategy, proactive notification, involve customer about search as soon as possible through multiple channel. Okay. Provide clear information, set realistic expectation. To be honest, I just also feel like even with the thought process, it will be kind of the same answer that we'll get from from the last model. Email campaign, in-store communication, yeah, feedback channel, regular update, kind of the same. Okay, so let's quickly go to the next exercise. Analyze the sentence. Okay, so the sentence is: the complex houses, married and single soldier and their families. Explain why the sentence is grammatically correct and break down its structure, clarify its meaning. Okay, so this will be confusing even for me. So let's see how this can be analyzed by the AI. The sentence complex house, true, it may seem confusing at first due to potential ambiguity. Okay, grammatical analysis, the complex is a noun here, referring to a group of building, of course, yeah. Houses is the third person singular present tense of the verb to house. Good. That's good. Okay, married and single, soldier and the family. That's okay. So I think the ambiguity was about houses. So let's see if the faster model understood that one. Predicate house, married. Okay, let's see. Verb houses. Okay, mom. Let me know if you catched the ambiguity of the text and if you understood that houses was a verb instead of a noun. Anyway, they just take a last test for general problem solving or thinking capabilities, and we're good to go. Immediate effect, economic impact, financial disruptions. Business operations. Yeah. Supply chain, yeah. Societal impact, communication disruption, personal, okay, information dissemination. That rely on the internet for real-time update will struggle to broadcast information. Critical service affect, healthcare system, emergency services, online learning, shift to alternative communication methods, phone, face-to-face interaction. I think it will be more dramatic than that. This seems too okay. Societal shift. Anyway, so let's go here and see if this long-term effect, economic impact, reevaluation of business, market adjustment, infrastructure investment, media consumption change, financial. Yeah, I think in this kind of problems they are kind of giving the same answer, and I feel like GPT-4o will have gave the same answer. Yeah, I think the video is too long now. Yeah, overall I think the model is actually quite good, especially for this kind of problems and yeah, many other problems. And I feel like the 4o and this one, maybe for extremely complex problems, they kind of give the same output or maybe nearly the same result in terms of yeah, in terms of accuracy. But yeah, maybe I'll have more time to test the difference, the real difference with really hard problems to see if this will actually give better result than the Omni model. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I think in a few days I will actually clash this model with the latest, most capable model, mainly for coding problems. So if it is something that you enjoy, yeah, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.